can't disturb our customers if they want to come in here.
Of course.
Oh, of course, yeah.
Absolutely.
Actually, you're not supposed to film
Oh,
in here,
okay.
but like I said, if you just don't disturb our customers.
Absolutely.
Yeah, no, we're trying to stay away from...
Yeah, and if you see someone that's like waiting to come in here,
Oh, yeah, no, we've already done that.
Thank you much. Welcome back, folks. Me and Hieronymus are here in Ikea looking
Hello.
for our new home today.
I believe this is called modern art. It appears to be a little green pebble in a open mason jar.
Hieronymus, what do you want for dinner today? We only have empty bottles.
Well, perhaps one could smash it against the counter and make a glass souffle.
I made a nice cup of lasagna.
Oh, a Tupperware casserole.
Yes, it'll be good for dinner. It's a little cold.
Now, I may not know how the poor folk make their food, but I imagine they have more than just this, right? And of course, I've always had my servants make my food. In fact, I've actually never been in my own kitchen, but I can't imagine this the authentic experience.
Well,
The city view. That's just how I remember. Now there has to be a city somewhere that we can use. And even the TVs are fake. The views are fake. I've never met any of these people in my life. And I don't know why they expect me to buy any of this. Although I do like the idea of having a mug this high up. All the better to spill on you.
welcome to my home.
So we may not have found our perfect house, but I have found a rustic cookbook, a Swedish seafood cookbook. And today we're going to learn how to cook up some fishes and some urchins and some squids and some other things that you can be found in the ocean. Now, I don't believe this is a fish. Perhaps there's some problem in this translation. Okay. Sweden still hasn't quite gotten what a fish is, but that's okay. Now I know that's not a fish.
I think our seasonings are somewhere in here. Where's the eggs? We're off fire hot right here. Where's the dry milk? Where's the dry milk?
Dry milk, the condensed milk. You mean this?
Yeah.
Right here.
That's what I need. I'm making good stuff today.
I see Cheerios, I see cookies, what else?
This will do good in the stew.
That's just frozen ice cream, I believe.
Dinner's ready.
That's the most scrumptious meal you've ever prepared for me, Alfred.
I knew you would love it.
You make do, and that is the IKEA slogan. You make do with what you're given.
That's right. We're still on our search for our new home. Haven't found one just yet, but I'm sure we'll find one.
If life gives you lemons, you build an affordable ottoman.
Well, folks, I hope you enjoyed watching Hieronymus and I getting caught in Ikea. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. We're spamming the world with Alfred the Xylophone player. Remember, I work for tips.